So this is Freck XL, and today we're gonna apply a few just on my cheek, on my existing freckles that I wanna pronounce a little bit more. In particular, I have a little mole right here that I really like to pronounce, and it's kind of there. You can't really see it, you kind of can see it, but we're gonna pronounce it. So we're gonna give it a little bit of a shake, and then you can apply this honestly anywhere. You can apply this harder or lighter depending on how big you want it. So I'm gonna find that mole right here. So as you can see, well, I have a couple on my face, but I'm gonna do it right there, and I'm gonna do kind of a big one. And then you can let it dry, or you can also dab it and get some of the excess of it off, or you could also use like a little paper towel or tissue. But once it's on and once it dries, it's there. It's not coming off. Like, if you can actually see, I actually applied this before doing this video right here, just messing around with it because I wanted to show that it does stay on and it doesn't come off. And I actually, here, it's not coming off. Well, it's on my finger because I was doing it with my finger, but it's not coming off. Like, so right after you put it on, and you could either get some of the residue off if you want, but if you like the look that you gave, then just let it air dry. You can fan it a little bit, but if you want to get a little bit off, do it right away. And then after that, it sets in and it stays on. So it'll last you all day until you actually like wash your face, get it off. But you can apply it anywhere. It doesn't have to be on your face. Let's do another one. I'm just going to do like a little effect right here and kind of go up. And then I want it to more so not be as dark, so I'm just gonna dab it now while it's still wet, and you see it pulled some of it off, but it still has that look. So it's gonna be super cute on a night going out and you're getting ready and you're doing your makeup and doing everything if you add a little bit of Freck to your face. Thanks for sending me this to review.